Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that affects every organization, every team, and every employee: change management. We'll explore what change really means, how organizations can manage it effectively, and what we can learn from Microsoft's real-life experience. Let's dive in. Change isn't something new. It's a part of life and a major part of how organizations grow. From the moment a company is created, through its development, maturity, and eventually decline, change shapes every stage. As Stobierski 2020 puts it, organizational change happens when a business alters a major part of itself, whether that's its culture, its technology, or its internal processes. But here's the challenge. Change is happening faster than ever, and many initiatives fail simply because managing change is complex. That's where change management becomes crucial. One of the most influential tools for understanding change is Lewin's force field analysis. This model helps organizations look at two sets of forces: driving forces, the factors pushing change forward, and restraining forces, the factors resisting change and keeping things as they are. For change to occur successfully, the driving forces must outweigh the restraining forces. This model is very valuable because it helps organizations understand barriers preventing progress, supports better decision-making by identifying what helps or hinders change, reveals emotional and attitude-based resistance, and helps managers plan resources and budgets more effectively. A well-done force field analysis increases the chance of success in any change project. Now let's talk about the most critical part of change: people. Many scholars describe organizational change as a process of transformation that helps an organization survive and compete in its environment. But here's the key insight. Change doesn't just happen to systems, it happens to people. According to the CIPD 2021, HR and people professionals sit right at the center of change because they play vital roles in organization development, redesigning processes, ensuring due process, promoting employee voice, and communicating clearly and consistently. In many organizations, HR professionals act like stage directors of change, working behind the scenes to make sure everything runs smoothly. Now let's look at a real-world example that brings all of this to life: Microsoft's 2017 initiative. From systems to people, rethinking service management. This strategy was built on the idea that moving to the cloud is not just about technology, it's about people. Microsoft wanted to shift its Office 365 service management toward a model that prioritizes employee experience. Here's how HR played a major role. First, shifting the role of IT. Service management began focusing not only on technology, but also on how people interact with that technology. Second, promoting a people-centered approach. Service managers started thinking holistically about adoption, communication, and the human side of change, not just deploying tools. Third, empowering employees through governance. HR helped create structures that allowed employees to collaborate freely while protecting corporate data and maintaining accountability. Fourth, preparing people for change. Before rolling out new features, Microsoft assessed how each change would benefit the user. The focus shifted from "what can this technology do?" to "how will this make employees work easier, faster, or more efficient?" And fifth, using influencers to reinforce change. Microsoft also used internal influencers, employees who champion new tools, to spark curiosity, encourage adoption, and model new behaviors. These practices show just how important HR is to managing change effectively. By putting people first, aligning resources, and communicating clearly, HR plays a huge role in ensuring that change leads to real improvements in productivity and organizational success. If you enjoyed this breakdown or learned something new, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which part of change management do you think is most challenging? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the